Hello and welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. Today, we're diving into the art of creating a decadent warm chocolate lava cake. This dessert is not only simple to make, but is guaranteed to impress with its rich, molten center and exquisite taste. Before we begin, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the video. Now, let's get started. First, grab a bowl and add the dark chocolate. Melt the chocolate using a double boiler. Once the chocolate has melted, add the butter and melt them together. Make sure there is no lumps in it. Set the melted chocolate mixture aside. In another bowl, add the eggs and sugar, and mix until you reach the ribbon stage. The eggs are ready. So now pour the chocolate mixture into the egg mixture and blend them together. After everything is well incorporated, add the sifted flour to the mixture and mix thoroughly. Ensure there are no lumps. Grab your ramekins or baking molds and fill them with the cake mixture. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 205 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and bake your cakes for about 7 minutes. Baking time might vary depending on your mold size and oven, so be careful not to overbake. The key is to have an underbaked center. Here we go. The perfect chocolate lava cake is ready. I love to enjoy it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, but that's totally optional. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, keep baking and creating.